Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to make a channel on YouTube on mobile, and let's get started. You're gonna click at your profile picture, which is at the bottom right corner, and under your nickname, like under your name, you'll find create a channel. Right here you'll choose your picture, name, and also handle. Then you're gonna choose create channel. And that's it. Now your channel is created, very fast and very easy. As you can see, if I choose view channel, I have this section. So as soon as I don't have the videos, as you can see, I don't have nothing right here, but I can also view the statistics and edit something like nickname or profile picture, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.